Dr. Maske Ishaka Pandram, Assistant Professor at Sri Shalamohan Education Society's College of Education, Nanded, Maharashtra. I try to focus on concept of education or discuss about concept of education. What is education? Education is a Education is a give and take process. Generally, we say day-to-day life, or we say regarding to textbook knowledge. Education is a give and take process. Okay. Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, morals, beliefs, habits, and personal development. So, generally we say education is a give and take process. It is true. Education is a give and take process of skills, knowledge, values, morals, beliefs, habits, and personality development. Second one, definition. Simply, education refers to process of and acquiring information or gaining information. Mostly, education is formal in our society. Formal means learning education from school, college, universities, or other institutions. The process of training and development, the knowledge, skill, mind, character by formal schooling, teaching, training. So, we always say that education is a natural process of life. Yes, education is a natural process of our life. So, enjoy it. So, naturally enjoy it. So, when somebody is learned through anything else, that process is under education. Next. Aims of education. General aims. What is general aims of education? Success, knowledge, leadership, social skills, and freedom. Success. For success, we do education. Success means acquiring something in your field. Whatever you like teaching, like engineering, MBBS, law, whatever you want. Knowledge about that field, knowledge about that field, leadership in that field, social skills about that field, and freedom. Okay, freedom. Okay. The main aim of education are the intellectual, physical, social, political, aesthetic and ethical development of person. Education gives us success, higher income, knowledge, leadership, social skills and lot of other things. So, education is very much important in our human being lives. Okay, that's why you use technology. We follow all over the technology. We follow all over the textbook knowledge. Whatever in front of through skill information about whatever we follow, that is all going to be called education. Purpose of education. Education has many purposes. One of them is to replace an empty mind with new one. The purpose of education is to make mind not career. There is one quote that is empty mind is devil's house. Yes, of course, empty mind is devil's house, because empty minds do so many negative things. So for engaging our mind in positive things, so replace this term is very perfect for this, to replace our empty mind with a new one. The purpose of education is to make our mind not a career. Okay, next one. Further next, after again completion our qualification, further one of the purpose is career. But whenever you student life, the main purpose of your life, your education is to educate on yourself, develop your own personality. The purpose, second one purpose is, the purpose of education would be made if the school of other institution provided educational methods of self-development by which the individual can gain complete possession or occupation of his or her power. Of his or her power. So here one of the good example of professional colleges named College of Education, College of Law, College of Medicine or MBBS, whatever, engineering, College of Engineering, College of Architecture. All these colleges are one of the very good one of the example of this purpose, that professional development is going through this college. Skill development program is going on in this syllabus of B.Ed, architecture program, engineering program, whatever is that professional college is. So in this all things, that teacher, that engineer, that doctor, lawyer would be in future going to be one of the very well known person in that field. Okay, so this is the one of the major purpose of education, which is related to teaching or learning skills. Next one. Importance of education. Importance of education. Education is most important things of our personal life. There is so many words for this life. Life is not easy script. Life is not so easy to face many problems, stress, psychological issues. So for all these issues, if you want to release all these issues, then try to follow education. You want mindfulness, mindful, your mentality, mindful mentality, mindful psychology. So please guys, you all of you very must to follow this all education system or education. So try to easy your life and meaningful your life to follow education. Importance, next importance, change the world, become a human being, yeah, or human, procure a job, modify or improve your behavior, earn a name in the society. Yes, change the world. Because of your education in any field, you are pioneer in any field, or you are expert in any field, in technology or in teaching or in law or in medicine or in engineering. So you are one of the scientists, or whatever you do your research, this is help to change the world, become a human, yes, nice human. For become a nice human being, you be educated, procure a job, yes, career, job. Education always help, your degree is always help for a job or career, or so many things which is related to job. Documentation is very must. So for teacher B.Ed is very necessary. For doctor MBBS is must. For engineering B is very must. These all things is very genuine. So be educated guys. Modify or improve our behavior. Personality development. There is some personality development is going through this all education. If you educate, you follow some good things, and that good things make you so make or help you in your personality development, because education helps your personality how to deal with problems, how to deal with stress, how to deal with society, how to deal with in front of you, whatever is in front of you. So there is modification or modify your behavior is gained by education. Earn a name in society. Okay, already you all know. If you are more educated, you are then you are well-known personality in education. So guys, this is so a very small things I focus in front of you, very general things, very much general things. But I want to say one thing to you, that so design your personality with education. Design your personality with education. So if you want to become a successful person, or you need to become educated, you need to become educated and enhance yourself with skill, technology, information, and so many other things which is related to education. These all is help you in how you improve yourself. So education is very major thing, major term in a human being, because being educated is a good human being, and being educated is help to our nation to increase our nation whole other things which is related to technology, science, education, law, all our things you help in for we you or me help to nation. So for national development, for our national development, there is very much need to be a educated person. So guys, try to be a educated. Thank you so much. A second term which is related to education, that is one of the best term, that is related to learning. That is called teaching or learning. Okay, so education is a give and take process. There is one course about that education. I personally want this course, but it is somehow changed. But this is how related to education I explain myself. Okay, there is one course. Oh God, your sea is so great. My boat is so small. So, regarding this statement or these sentences, the sea is whole of the education, and the boat is one of the person who is going to be educated, like student, like a doctor, engineer, who is in process of education. So, education is so many brief or long or huge concept, and there is so many points in education which we follow by our fields, our interest, and whatever skills or technology we follow. Like in B.Ed, there is a teaching learning process which is related to education. So education is very much very important in teaching learning process. So teaching learning process follow the term education. So education is the whole C, and teaching learning process is the sub points or small things in that education. So education is very big thing, and teaching learning is 2 points or some points of which is related to this education. So be educated, all of you, for personality development, for our nation, for our earning, for our family, for ourselves. Okay, thank you so much.